Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can create a new group in Google Groups to invite your friends and contacts to it. So let us get started. So head over to Google Groups, log into your Google account of course, and here in the top left guys you will see that button Create Groups. So click into it. Next give your group a name like I don't know, cooking enthusiasts or something like that. You will see the assigned group email below. You may describe it here. You have up to 4,000 characters for that. Click into next here. And then go through these settings. For example, who can search for the group, like anyone on the web or only invited users. And you can do the same for each other questions here. Now I'm going to skip this and leave that setup as it is. Click into next here. And then guys, it is time to invite your contacts and friends to become group members. So you may, for example, enter their email address here. For example, send an invitation message here. And you can also skip this by clicking into this button in the bottom right, and the group will be then created. So let me confirm the CAPTCHA here. Click into this button. And that's it. Now you can get redirected to a group by clicking into this button here, or you can navigate to My Groups, and you will see your created groups listed here, and you can invite new members by clicking into this button here to the right. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.